Rabbi, why do some Jews wear the talit katan on the outside of their shirt while some wear it on the inside and some on the outside? So that's simply custom and comfort. So there is a importance of wearing tzitzit, which talit katan like this, is a mitzvah from the Torah. And anytime you wear a four-cornered garment, you have to wear, as a man, you have to wear a tzitzit. Now, there's no obligation to have it on the inside or on the outside. It's whatever you prefer. Some customs were, preferred it to be on the outside, like I have it right now. But some decided that they prefer it to be on the inside. Now, in regards to the customs, again, it was, there's different reasons for it. One of the reasons that the ones that are wearing it on the inside is because the Arizal said that when you have the tzitzit on the outside, it could be enticing the mezikim, the negative spirits that are out there, and which, if you're not holy enough, can create damage, meaning they could attack you. So it's better to have the tzitzit on the inside. So that's why those that wear it on the inside, they're following that custom, that teaching of the Arizal. On the other hand, there are others that are saying, listen, even though there are mezikim, and even though the mezikim could be dangerous, if you're wearing tzitzit, it'll protect you, and it's important. It's more important for you to be visually Jewish, meaning to show your Judaism and the pride that you have of Judaism on the exterior, than it is for you to be concerned about mezikim, and therefore you should wear, your Jewish garments in such a fashion that you're noticeably Jewish, by your tzitzit, by the way you look,